Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jessica and I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari, and today's video is going to be about Poshmark and how to really create bundles to actually close the deal and make a sale. So if that sounds interesting to you, just keep on watching. I'm going to have my laptop screen pulled up here in a minute, but I wanted to just briefly touch on that my most popular video on YouTube is about increasing your Poshmark sales with this bundle feature. And I really want to touch bases on this again. And since it was so popular, I want to really touch on some things that I have changed and how I do the bundle feature now to really close and seal the deal. So let's get right into it. I'm going to pull up my Poshmark screen here and show you guys how I do it. The first thing that you see is on the top left-hand corner, you can see that it says 10% off 2 or more items from this closet. So that is already a promotion that I have going on. So this is very important. If you do want to try to increase your bundles, definitely consider automatically offering some type of percentage off that the customer can get if they bundle 2 or more items. The next thing that I'm going to do is go over to the news section so I can see who has liked my items. Now, really you want to try to get this bundle feature to start the bundle deals. You want to obviously get someone that has liked at least two items. So I would go down and just briefly look through who has liked your items and preferably who has liked 2 or more. So I did have someone, let's see if I can find, okay, so this person right here has liked 2 of my items. One of them is a Kate Spade wristlet wallet, and the other one is a Madewell dress. So I am going to click on this listing. And I am going to, okay, so I see that purple_horses. I'm going to share this item to, so purple_horses. Look that up, share it to her, and then go over to my bundles, and we're going to go to sell and go down to view bundle. And then you can also see that she has liked this. Now, even if I didn't share that, I can also, so I'll exit out of this and I'll show you that this is down here. It's showing likes from my closet, what items this person has liked. So these 2 right here. And I'm going to click this button here to add it to the bundle and this button as well. So now it has 2 of the items that are in my Poshmark closet that she has liked. Now you are going to see that on the right hand side, so it shows like the shipping is $7.11. It shows how much if I did not offer a deal. It shows the earnings if sold is $54 because Poshmark does take 20%. So if I do want to send an offer, I am going to click this offer button, and here it automatically took out the 10% seller's discount. So this is something that I offer for anyone that likes or wants to purchase 2 or more items. They're automatically going to get a 10% discount straight up front because they liked 2 or more items. So this would be the price if I did not give an additional offer. So if you have the wiggle room to give an additional offer, then you can put the offer right here. If you want to give a shipping discount, you can also, there's an option here to give a shipping discount. I don't like to give a shipping discount because I don't want to pay for shipping. So I like to have the buyer pay for shipping because it takes a huge chunk out of your profit. And I personally rather not have that cut out of my profit. So now it's up to you on obviously what you want to decide to give this person as a discount, but first, before I give the discount, I am going to message that person. So I don't know what their name is because it just shows purple horses. You could go to their Poshmark closet and sometimes it has their name, but I'm just going to say, good afternoon. Thank you for stopping by my Poshmark closet. I see that you liked 2 of my items and I would love to send you an additional offer. Please let me know if you have any further questions and I would be happy to assist. Also, I am able to ship out daily. Thank you again. Okay, so one thing I want to mention that I think being able to tell someone that you're able to ship out quickly is very effective. Now, if you're not able to ship out quickly, just don't add that part in at all. But I think that a lot of people enjoy being able to see that their item was shipped out either that same day or the next day, because a lot of people are, impatient and they want their items as soon as possible. So being able to add that in, I think that has really made a little bit of a difference for me. I just have noticed that people really appreciate when you tell them when you can ship. And if maybe you're out of town, I remember I was out at a business conference in another state and I was going to be back in 2 days. So I told the person I will be back in 2 days and I will be able to ship it out as soon as I get back. And they were like, thanks so much for letting me know. Like, they really appreciated that I gave them that honest feedback. So definitely consider including the shipping information, whether you can ship right away or if it has to be in 2 days. People really like that responsiveness, and it just kind of gives them a little bit of buyer's confidence buying from you. And then the other thing is, I'm saying that I'm sending them an additional offer because my closet is already giving them a 10% discount, which is pretty big. And then I'm going to give them another few dollars off as well. So this is kind of enticing to someone if they see that they're getting a 10% discount plus another few dollars off. It's going to really maybe push them more. Plus you're going to be able to ship it out the next day. It's going to give them more of an incentive to actually buy and close the deal. And another thing that I want to include is to always say that you are open to answering any of their questions, that you're happy to assist them, because a lot of people do not reach out to anyone that likes their items and they don't do these bundle deals. They don't do anything. So this extra step that you are doing already kind of puts you at the top of their minds that, oh wow, they're really paying attention. They're really active in their Poshmark closet. They're probably a really great seller. I probably want to buy from them. So definitely consider that as an option when you have someone that likes a couple of your items. And another thing, a tip for this is, and which I did not do with this because I was waiting for myself to record this video, but consider doing this as soon as they like the items. So if you get a notification that someone liked 2 or more of your items, definitely right away go in and do that bundle feature, because if they have liked that item, that means it's at the top of their minds. They are maybe ready to buy right away. So if you just initiate that conversation with them right away, it might even make that sale it might close the deal really quickly and make that sale happen even faster. So definitely consider doing it the moment that they like 2 or more items in your closet. Okay, so now let's send the offer. Well, first I'm going to hit send and then I'm going to do the offer right away. So the price comes out to $67.50, but I am going to take off $7.50 and I'm going to give them, offer them $60. Now, one thing that I want to put out there, one of those items I've had for a very long time, and I bought it for myself, so I don't mind, you know, my profit being a little bit less than what, if I had thrifted that Kate Spade wristlet, then I would probably not offer a discount. But I've had that Kate Spade wristlet for 2 years now, 3 years, and I just don't use it anymore, so that's why I listed it on Poshmark, and that's why I'm giving a little bit more of a discount than I would if I would have thrifted it. But since it was mine out of my own closet, I don't mind selling it for just a little bit less. So now you can actually view the offer right here. And so you can see that the bundle was priced at $75, and it was a 10% discount was available. And then I offered even bigger discount to make it $60. So if this person accepts this offer, my earnings will be $48. And this is really great for me because that Madewell dress was actually only $5.40. So that is a really good return on my investment because the wallet was just my own closet, and then I only paid $5.40 for the dress. So $5.40, flip it to $48 is pretty darn good if you ask me. That is basically how I do bundles. I always want to have great customer service to close the deal, and then offer a good discount, good enough to where someone's actually going to make that sale for you. So I hope this helped you guys out. I know it was quick to the point, and I have done one of these videos before that really took off and got like almost 18,000 views, but it's something that I think is very effective. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed me just kind of showing you everything step by step. If you like these tutorial type of videos, comment down below. I'd love to know if that's something you prefer me to do more often. I would love to do that. I like filming these kind of videos as well. But that is it for today, guys. Drop your Poshmark closets in the comment section below so I can go share some of your items, and I will see you all in the next video.